Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to get started with our math lesson. We are going to review adding 3-digit numbers. So first off, make sure you have out your whiteboards and your markers and the paper that the substitute handed out to you. And pause this video until everyone is ready to begin. Alright, hopefully everyone is ready to go. So we're going to start with number 1. So number 1 on your paper is 742 plus 363. So today we're going to practice using both our place value chart and the vertical method. So next to your, or on your whiteboards, I want you to draw your hundreds chart. We have our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. Actually, let's do it this way. We have 100, 10, and ones. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video to make sure everybody has time to draw their place value chart on their whiteboards. Alright, so we're first going to start with 742. So for 742, how many hundreds do I need to draw? Yes, 7. I'll draw 7 hundreds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, next, how many tens do I need to draw? Yes, 4 tens. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then last, how many ones do I need to draw? Yes, 2. 1, 2. Okay, am I done? Nope, now I need to do my next number. So now I'm going to add on 363. So how many hundreds do I need to add? That's 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next, how many tens do I need to add? Yes, 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last, how many ones do I need to add? Yes, 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Okay, go ahead and push pause to make sure and give everybody time to finish writing down their numbers on the place value chart, and then you'll push play when everyone is ready. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how many ones we have. So we're going to count up all our ones. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 ones. It's not quite enough to regroup, so I'm just going to write my 5 ones down here on the bottom. Okay, now let's count up our tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 tens. So what could I do with 10 tens? Pause the video and turn and tell your partner. Yes, with my 10 tens, I could regroup them into a group of 100. So that leaves me with 1 more 100, and I have 0 tens left over. So now let's go ahead and count up our tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 tens. So that leaves me with 11 tens, 11 100s, 0 tens, and 5 ones for an answer of 1,105. So now let's come over and do it the vertical way. So I have 2 ones plus 3 ones gives me 5 ones. Okay, now I have 4 tens plus 6 tens, which is 10. So I'm going to show I have one group of 100 and 0 tens left. Now I have 7 plus 3, which makes 10, plus 1 more makes 11. It shows that my answer is 1,105. Alright, boys and girls, so go ahead and make sure you have this answer written down on number 1. You'll erase your whiteboards And now it's going to be your turn to teach the class how to solve the rest of the problems. So if you would like to show the class how to solve number 2, raise your hand. And the substitute will have you come up to the whiteboard. And you're going to help the class solve the problem just like I did. So I write the problem on the board using both the vertical method and the 100 chart. And you'll ask the class questions as to what to do to solve the problem. After a student solves number 2, that student will go sit down, and then the substitute will choose a volunteer to come up and do number 3, and so on until you finish the paper, or it is time for recess. Good luck, boys and girls!